Hello students of Standard 10. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sitasongi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay. Let's begin an online session of social science. Students, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have started the topic, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In that online session, we have learned about Napoleon Code, liberal nationalism, conservatism, provisions in Treaty of Vienna, then revolutionaries and age of revolutions 1830-1848. About that we have learned in the previous online session. Okay students, today we will start the subtopic romantic imagination and national feelings. Okay, let's start. Student, in the previous online session we learned about the age of revolution 1830-1848. Under that subtopic, first most important point, romantic imagination and national feeling. Okay, listen students, the development of nationalism did not come about only through the wars and territorial expansion. Students, nationalism just did not come about only through the wars and territorial expansion. With the help of culture, just we can definitely create the romantic imagination in a country. So students, we can see that culture played an important role in creating the ideas of nation. Students, art and poetry, stories and music helped express and shape nationalist feeling. Listen students, one picture is given. This picture just depict the message about the culture, music, art. So art and poetry, stories and music helped express and shape nationalist feelings. Okay students, now let's discuss about the romanticism. What it means? Listen students, it refers to a cultural movement which search or develop a particular form of nationalist sentiments. Listen students, cultural movement which serves to develop a particular form of nationalist sentiments. Students, romantic artists and poets generally criticize the glorification of reason and science. They focus on emotions and mystical feelings. They focused on emotions of the people and just a mystical feeling, that means the secret feelings refers to the nationalism. So students, in such a way that culture played an important role in the collection of, in the spreading the message about the nationalism. Okay students, their effort was to create a sense of shared collective heritage, a cultural past as the basis of nation. Common cultural past and the collective heritage was created by the efforts of artists, again by the efforts of revolutionaries and by the efforts of the other people of country. Okay students, other romantics such as the German philosopher John Gottfried Herder, listen students, romantic people such as German philosopher John Gottfried Herder just claimed that true German culture was to be discovered among the common people. Students, German philosopher John Gottfried just claimed that the true German culture was to be discovered among the people through the imagination, through the culture, through the language, through the dramas, through the again arts, whatever. Okay students, it was through, listen, after that just he mentioned, it was through folk songs, folk poetry and folk dances that the true spirit of the nation was popularized. That means students, with the help of folk songs, folk poetries, folk dances, so we can collect the national feelings among the people, we can motivate the people, so definitely it creating the idea of nation. Okay students, so thereafter, so collecting and recording these forms of the folk culture was essential to the project of nation building. In the making process of the nation building, this collecting and recording of forms of all folk culture was very essential. Okay students, next topic, next point is what, the emphasis on vernacular languages. Listen students, emphasis of the vernacular languages and collection of the local folklore was not just to recover an ancient national spirit. Listen students, emphasis on, that means the language and the collection of the local folklore was not just to cover the ancient national spirit but also to carry the modern nationalist message to a large audience who were mostly illiterate. That means students, these folklore, then poetries, dances, and the vernacular languages just played an important role to cover the ancient nationalist spirit, as well as the motivation and inspiration among the illiterate people. So in such a way that students, language also played an important role in the developing of nationalist sentiments. Okay, so students, in such a way that today we will learn about the romantic imagination. Romantic imagination refers to the art, poetry, story, again the music, again the other means of the culture, language, folklore, poetries, folk dances, through which we can definitely create and the motivate the people for the nationalism, for taking the part, for the participate in the nationalism process. Okay, students, in such a way that today we have learned about that. On the basis of today's content, one assignment question I am giving, and this question is in front of you. You have to write the answer of this question. Okay, students, remaining part of this lesson we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.